Hi folks, my name is Blake Ross and I'm here today to show you how to use Weldbond as a bonding agent in 3 easy steps. First of all, we have a spalled surface here which needs to be cleaned, preferably with a vacuum, but if you don't have that, a dry paintbrush is fine. We remove all the material and dust, and then we are going to prep the surface using Weldbond as a sealer. This is your first step. We're going to mix the Weldbond, 5 parts water to 1 part Weldbond, and then we're going to apply it to the porous surface. And for demonstration purposes, we're just going to use part of this spalled surface, not all of it. And we're going to allow that to dry. Step 2, folks, is now applying the Weldbond as a bonding agent. And the mix for this is 3 parts water to 1 part Weldbond. And as you see, folks, it has the consistency of a thick homogenized milk. So we lay that on the dried surface. And don't forget to be liberal with it, because when we put the cement to it, bonding agent is going to impart its strength into the cement. In layman's terms, that means that we will now have a gluing cement. This is the cement, and we're going to be laying that over the bonding agent while it's still tacky. And we are going to now feather it out. Try and keep it flush with the surface. As you can see, it is blending very nicely with the Weldbond bonding agent. We'll just finish this little piece off here. Nice feathered edge. Easy as that. Weldbond, available at your local home center and hardware stores. Thank you.